Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a skateboard business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start a skateboard business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. There are several ways to start your own skateboard company. You can build boards, assemble skateboards from prefabricated parts, or sell ready-to-ride skateboards to retail customers. Each approach necessitates a different business plan, investment levels, and workspaces, but you can start by assembling and work your way up to custom manufacturing as your company grows. If you are manufacturing or assembling, shop around for the best deals on wholesale parts, machinery, and supplies, as the initial investment can be costly. 1. Create a business plan for a skateboard company using free resources from the Small Business Association or SCORE. Business plans contain all of your company's details and will be required if you intend to apply for outside financing. 2. Visit your town hall and state tax office to apply for local business permits, state tax registration, and sales licenses. If you plan to open a store, your local government may require business zoning approval. If you intend to run your skateboard company as a partnership, corporation, or limited liability company, you must file the necessary paperwork with your Secretary of State's office. 3. Invest in the tools, supplies, and equipment required for your specific type of skateboarding business. Your requirements will vary, and you can purchase specialized tools, parts, and supplies for building skateboards from wholesale skateboard supply companies. To open a wholesale account, you will need to provide your state sales identification number as well as other information. 4. Set up a home office or rent a store or warehouse space. A warehouse, garage, or basement space will suffice if you are manufacturing or assembling skateboards for resale to skateboard shops. If you intend to sell at retail, your local government will require you to have a retail store. 5. Obtain business liability insurance to protect you, your company's assets, and your customers in the event that problems or accidents occur with the products you manufacture or sell. Based on your personal financial situation and the nature of your business, your insurance agent will advise you on the amount of insurance you will require. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a skateboard business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.